We'll guide you through how to make multiple cameras in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender and start a new project so you have the default scene ready. Delete the default camera if you want a fresh setup by selecting it and pressing X. Press Shift+A, go to Camera, and add your first camera to the scene. Position the camera by pressing G to move and R to rotate until you get your desired angle. Press Numpad 0 to look through the active camera view. Press Ctrl + Alt + Numpad 0 to align the camera to your current viewport angle. Rename the camera in the outliner, for example Camera 1, to keep things organized. Add a second camera by pressing Shift + and then Camera again. Move and rotate the second camera to a different angle or perspective. Rename the second camera, for example Camera 2, for clarity. Repeat the process to create as many cameras as you need for different shots. To switch between cameras, select a camera and press Ctrl + Numpad 0 to make it the active camera. Open the timeline if you want to animate camera switching. Move to a specific frame, for example frame 1. Select a camera and press Ctrl + Numpad 0. Press I and insert a marker or press M to add a marker on the timeline. With the marker selected, press Ctrl + B to bind the active camera to that marker. Move to another frame, select a different camera, add another marker, and bind it the same way. Repeat this for all cameras to create automatic camera switching during animation. Play the timeline to see Blender switch between cameras based on your markers. Make sure each camera is placed thoughtfully to capture unique compositions and visual storytelling angles within your scene. You can adjust focal length and depth of field in the camera settings to enhance each shot and create more cinematic results. Organizing cameras clearly in the outliner will help you manage complex projects with many viewpoints. When using markers, double-check their positions on the timeline so transitions happen exactly when you intend. Scrub through the timeline slowly to confirm that each camera activates at the correct frame without unexpected jumps. If something looks off, simply reselect the marker and rebind the correct camera. This workflow helps build dynamic sequences easily.